Hi everyone, I'm Madonna and this is little JB. It is his 6th birthday tomorrow. Say hey everyone.
Hello everyone.
So we're just going to do a little level. We're going to have a bit of a play. He wanted the tickle monster to come again.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's remember how to do the muscle testing. Hold up for me, hold up. Beautiful, and hold. So they're working, high five. Good job. Now let's see if I pull on your big toe. So that feel that muscle in there? Is it tight? Does it feel wow wow? Is it like a violin string, a guitar string? So just relax. Relax. I'm going to stretch that muscle and hold the arm up nice and strong. Whooshka! And hold up nice and strong. Whooshka! So that's the little adrenals. Oops, there's your belly button. Just above the belly button, there's a point. Hold up for me. Hold up. Perfect. That's survival switching. And this one's deep survival. Hold. Whooshka! And hidden deep survival. Hold up. Whooshka! The great thing about kids is they've got less emotional baggage than most of us adults. So sometimes you can shift things with chakras and figure eights and all sorts of stuff. So let's have a squiz. What are we going to do? Do we need to go conscious brain, subconscious brain? Do we need to go unconscious? Into the EMC, MMC, PVSS? Something in the periventricular survival system. Which means are you a tickle monster?
I don't have any tingles in stuff. It does feels good when you do it on me.
It feels good. So we're going to check the left and right connections of the brain. Hold out. Don't. Whooshka. So we're going to connect the logic and the creative sides of the brain. Do 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 do. Say hello.
Hello.
Say hey, mummy.
Hello, mummy.
Beautiful. And again, hold out for me. Beautiful. Now we're going to make sure the front brain is working. And hold out nice and strong. Whooshka. So the front brain is about thinking, finding your toys. You know, sometimes you hide your toys and then your brain has to go, where are my toys? Yeah. So that part of the brain problem solves. So it also goes, where can I hide these toys? You've got lots of good hiding spots, don't you? Yeah. And hold out. Beautiful. Let's see where else we need to help. CC trust, IC desponsin, C. Amygdala, pili, A, B, C, D. Fourth hippocampal circuit. And hold out. Whooshka! Okay. Throat chakra. Actually, let's put the throat chakra in. Hold up, nice and strong. Hold up. Hold up.
What are you doing?
I know. What am I doing? We've got a little energy field here. Have you heard of chakras? The chakras are connected to different organs in the body, and your throat is part of how you speak and it's part of how you say your words. So the throat chakra, sometimes when it's not working, it's hard to say the words we want to say. Do you sometimes find it hard to say the words that you want to say? Now let's have another look. And hold. Beautiful. Good job. Because you always have lots of words you want to say, don't you? Yeah. You're like Daddy, you think lots about things. And you've got a really good imagination. So let's have a look. Brocas to Brocas. Hold out for me, sweetie. That's the words. That's the words we speak. There's fear, threat, danger in relation to the words we speak. So sometimes the brain goes, holy moly, how do I say this? Weird, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you talk a lot and a lot and a lot and a lot.
I do. Hold out, sweetie. Oh, perfect. And the next ones are the Wernickes areas. Hold out. Perfect. That's the thoughts behind the words. So that's good. The next one is the auditory integration points. Hold out. Perfect. Next one is rip and lip, left and right integration. Hold out. Aha! Whooshka! Okay. So let's once again recheck the chakras. And once again, it's throat chakra that's out. So this is without doing a particular survival balance, but sometimes if you've got the correct stuff stacked in. So we've got deep survival and hidden deep survival, and I'm hoping by doing a few other little bits and bobs, they'll start to get corrected as well. So throat chakra again. Oh my goodness. There it goes. So it swirls. It does a little swirly motion. Pretty cool, huh? And again, hold out. Oh, good boy. Now I'm going to check all of these little ones. And again, hold out nice and strong. Perfect. And these ones. And hold out nice and strong. Ah, so good. And hold out. Now, none of those worked last time. Now, just for fun. Okay, so let's just ask the brain just quickly in relation to change and in relation to not getting what you want. Just for fun. Hold up nice and strong. Whoops. Hold up nice and strong. Whoops. Which means I have to rub in here. Well, let's see if it's locked. And again, you ready? And hold up for me. And hold up for me. Oops, arm straight, sweetie. Arm straight. Arm straight, darling. Relax, relax. That is not straight. Hold up. Good. So in relation to change and in relation to not getting what you want. And again, let's hold the arms up. Hold up. Perfect. And let's just check your little chakras. That's pretty good. So let's recheck your big toe muscle. Hold up for me. And hold up for me. Beautiful. And rechecking survival. Are you ready? We've just got 3 more things and then we're done. You ready? Hold up. You ready? Hey, JB. Hold up nice and strong. Perfect. And this one. We've gone into crazy mode. Hold up, sweetie. And I love my job. And hold up for me, sweetie. Oh, beautiful. There's still a little bit of hidden deep survival pattern there, but that's not too bad for a little quick balance. Say, see you everyone.
See you everyone, and it was a big class.
And say, see you when I'm 6 years old.
See you when I am 6 years old.
Yay! Wow, look at all your fingers.
Tomorrow.
tomorrow. Happy birthday, JB.
Happy birthday!
See you, everyone.